Hello everybody and welcome back to Roman's West Coast Trains. So today I am very excited because I finally got my dream locomotive. I finally got the locomotive I have always wanted. And in real life too, this locomotive is also my favorite. And I cannot wait to unbox it and start running it. And I wanted to share it with you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, here we go. Alrighty guys, here she is. This is the Lionel FEF-3 Northern Union Pacific number 844. I can't tell you guys how excited and happy I am to finally have this locomotive. In real life, this is my favorite locomotive. Yes, I love this engine more than I do the Big Boy and the Challenger. I have been looking for this engine for quite a while now, since I started getting back into the hobby. And I am very, very excited that I finally found one and have one in my collection. Like, you guys have no idea. Out of all the unboxings that I've done and I'm probably gonna do, this is the one I'm going to be the most excited for quite a while. Let's check out the tender. And here it is, guys. Here's that famous Union Pacific Centipede oil firing tender. Now, one thing I forgot to specify was this 844 is the first run that Lionel did. I believe it was cataloged in 2009. I don't remember specifically, somewhere around there. It's not the one they cataloged in 2015, which is fine because this was the one I was actually looking for. Yes, the one in 2015 has whistle steam, but my biggest pet peeve about that engine is that they slapped the Big Boy whistle in that engine. I don't know why Lionel likes to do that. They put the Big Boy whistle in the Vision Line Challengers, the 2015 run of this edition, and I've even heard it in some Mikados, in some Union Pacific Mikados they did. And it's like, why? That is my biggest pet peeve. That is the Big Boy's whistle. Like, do not put it in any other engines, please. So when I finally found one of these, I just jumped on it. And I'm very happy and very excited. But guys, enough chat. I'm excited to get this on the track. Let's get on the track, check it out, see what she can do. Alrighty guys, I finally got this beautiful locomotive on the track. I'm actually filming this about a week later because when I unboxed the engine, I did not notice that the Mars light had a clear lens on it. And I looked in the box to see if there was a red one, but there wasn't. But luckily I was able to find one on Lionel's website. And also I had a little bit of a delay because when I was changing this out, one of these wires had snapped. And originally this only opened up about this far, leaving like no working room. So I added some extensions and everything is working great now. But guys, enough chat. Let's fire her up.
Union Pacific 844, do you copy? 844 here. Start her up and stand by for track orders. Roger. I'll get this train up and running. Out.
Alrighty, let's hear the whistle. Love that. Let's hear the bell. Awesome. Here's the sound of water being added to the tender. Here's a blowdown sound effect. And let's just hear a little bit of crew talk. Why not?
Dispatch, 844 here. We're all set. Can I go? Over. 844, you are good to go. Over. I've got green board. Train is clear to move. Out. You are clear inbound. Over. Roger. Almost there. 844 out. Are we clear to the next milepost? Over. Affirmative 844. You are all clear. Over. Everything's okay. Out. Roger that. 844. Good work. Out. 844 here. I'm shutting this train down. Out.
Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing and running session of this beautiful model. Like I said, I can't tell you guys how happy and excited I am to finally have one of these in my collection. Like, words can just not express. And I'm more happy that I was able to find one from the 2009 run. Nothing against the 2015 runs. It's just, I prefer these sound files a lot more than I do the 2015 runs. Like, Lionel used to put so much effort in their engines with the road-specific crew talk and the sound files as well. Like I said, I just prefer these sound files a tad bit more than I do the 2015 runs. And again, I'm just so happy to finally have it. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And to those of you who have been watching, liking, and subscribing, thank you so much. Your support means everything to me. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe, and I will see you all in the next video.